Welcome friends. In today's this video we are going to see the ninth program of Statistical Machine Learning for DS. Here the statement is you have data on housing principal prices and square footage, and notice that the relationship between the square footage and price is non-linear. Fit a spline regression model to allow the relationship between square footage and price to change at 2000 square feet. Explain how spline regression can capture different behaviors of the relationship before and after 2000 square feet. Let's go to the VTU circle, 8th program. So now for the ninth program, we need to execute the ninth program. Then here we are using pandas module, numpy module, stats module, and matplotlib. Just copy this code, search for IDLE, open, then click on new file, just paste the code, save it, SML 9, save, and just run the code. Make sure you have installed the pandas module, numpy module, stats module. Each modules we have installed, and this is the required output. See, this is the required output graph. Here they have not given the graph, but we have the graph as we are using the PLT plot statement in our code. Here plt.show, we are showing this graph, scatter graph. So this graph is lost. Mr. Brahmakumar has not shown that. Just make sure that you see this program with the output plot graph, and then for the required outputs are similar to the VTU circles output. I'm just closing it. Thank you for watching.